Get ready with me, and this is how to survive in American high school coming from a graduate. Do not talk to that one senior. Be, promise, mas gaganda buhay mo pag hindi mo lang kinausap. If you're a freshman or a sophomore, please, nagmamakao sa inyo. Kasi be, isipin natin, why would he go for someone that's way younger than him when he's pushing adulthood? At dali lang naman yung explanation eh. Wala lang sila makuha babae that's in their age group. Like, mga be, mamaya, meron na yung dala-dalang disease and it can get to you. I promise you're dodging a bullet. Para sa first date, maghanap kayo ng tao that has the same lunch period as you and try to sit next to them. Para pagdating na lunch period, wala ka nang iintindihan. Like, you already know where you're gonna go. Don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with sitting by yourself, but it's just the fact that mawawalan yung anxiety mo when it comes to, baka ito yung isipin nila, baka isipin nila na loner ako, kaya ako nakakain na mag-isa. You know, like, things like that. Basically, peace of mind. Sabi ko na to sa inyo lahat. Try your best not to get into any type of drama. Like, I love drama, but I'd rather be in a safe distance from it. Makipag-socialize kayo, makipag-usap kayo, enjoy your life as a high school student because it literally ends so fast. Last thing, don't at school. You know what I mean. Maniwala ka sa akin, be, within a 50-mile radius, your name will be known. At yung pangalan mo hindi mawawala sa bunganga nila. But yeah, I'm done.